Hey everyone, it's me Sergio with Mobility Direct, and today I'm bringing you an in-depth review of one of the hottest lightweight folding power wheelchairs on the market, the ComfyGo IQ-8000. Stick around to the end of the video because we'll be showing you the full specification sheet and a hidden message somewhere on the screen that if you see, will teach you how to get a huge discount on this chair. So what makes the IQ-8000 so special? Two words: lightweight, convenience. We're talking about a chair that folds easily, it's travel ready, and it can handle up to 330 pounds, all at a price point that blows most competition out of the water. Let's dive into the standout features. First of all, it's lightweight and travel friendly, weighing only 55 pounds without the battery. This is perfect for travel, whether it's in the car trunk, an airplane, or in a cruise. Second of all, it has remote control operation. This is not your standard power wheelchair. The remote control lets you move the chair remotely, which is super convenient when you need to park it after transferring at home or even at the office. It has two seat options. You can choose between a standard seat or you can upgrade to a wider seat for extra comfort. It also has two battery options. The standard battery is Airline approved and cruise approved, but if you need more runtime, there's an upgraded long-range battery available. Just keep in mind the long-range version is not Airline compliant. And by the way, before we get any further in the video, I do want to tell you about our free product catalog. It has all of our latest products, discount codes, and a ton of information about our company. To claim a copy, just go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You could also just call the number below, speak with one of our non-commissioned sales experts, give them your address, and they'll process the request for you. Keep in mind, we're not just an online store. We actually have several brick and mortar locations. We're A-rated by the BBB, so come on by. We'd love to help you and earn your business. One of my favorite things about this chair is the custom seat fabrics. You can choose from several luxurious seat fabric options, making it one of the best looking chairs out there. The IQ-8000 is equipped with large air-filled drive tires that have off-road friendly treading. These aren't your typical travel tires. They're powerful enough to handle grass, mulch, gravel, and other uneven surfaces with ease. Thanks to its shock-absorbing suspension system and pneumatic rear tires, the ride quality is incredibly smooth whether you're indoors or tackling rougher terrain outdoors. It's also backed by a 3-year warranty on the frame and a 1-year warranty on the electronics and battery, giving you great peace of mind. I've got to say, the IQ-8000 feels solid. The frame is made of aircraft-grade aluminum, and it really shows. It's sturdy without being heavy. The ride is smooth, even over bumps, and it boasts a tight turning radius, making it ideal for indoor navigation. The electromagnetic braking system also gives you reliable, safe stops. No worries about rolling back or sudden jerks. If you're looking for a lightweight, travel-friendly chair that doesn't skimp on style, performance, or terrain capability, the ComfyGo IQ-8000 should be at the top of your list. It's a rare combination of affordability, build quality, and customization options that you just don't see that often. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. We reply to every question within 1 business day. And don't forget, a portion of every sale goes directly to our community donation program, helping others regain their mobility. That's right, we randomly select people who are struggling to get around. Sometimes they're homeless or they're stuck using a cane, walker, or manual wheelchair, and we surprise them with a brand new mobility device. If you want to be a part of that movement, consider shopping at Mobility Direct or telling someone you know about Mobility Direct. Together, we can make a difference, one mobility device at a time. Now here's the full breakdown of the IQ-8000 specs. Feel free to pause and take a closer look. And hey, did you catch that hidden message? If you did, you know exactly how to claim your exclusive discount code on the IQ-8000 or any other product that we sell. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you don't miss out on any future reviews. See you next time.